Hello, today let's repair a Fluke 17B multimeter. The issue is that it cannot measure resistance or millivolt voltage. We can see that the millivolt voltage reading shows OL and the resistance reading shows 0 ohms. Additionally, it is unable to measure resistance. Let's test the voltage drop across the ground diode input of the main control chip. We can see that the test reading is only 0.012 volts, indicates that the main control chip is short-circuited. Okay, the main chip has been successfully replaced. Let's proceed with testing the functionality. The device is booting up normally. We can see that the millivolt range reading has been restored, and the resistance mode is displaying the normal OL reading again. Let's test the 1K resistor. The reading is of 0.998K, indicates that the measurement function has been restored and the accuracy is correct. Let's test a capacitor. The reading of 1.81 microfarads is normal. Let's test a 3-volt DC voltage. The reading is 3.001 volts, which is very good. Okay, the multimeter has been successfully repaired. Thanks for watching.